Welcome to this week's video. Carrying on with some insulation. So scrap that. We're not going to carry on with insulation. At the time we were doing this and filming this, we were in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, so we were starting to struggle to get materials for the interior conversion. So we thought, bugger it, why not finish the paint? So as you can see, the van's pretty stripped down. I haven't filmed any of that because it's just a boring job. It was just a case of get on with it, get it done. I'm not a fan of stripping down and prep. Don't mind spraying, but stripping down and prep I don't particularly like. So I'll throw you on the little tripod, take you for a walk around the van and show you what we've done so far. Basically we've got most of it stripped down. Everything washed, cleaned down, ready for panel wipe, then sanding, panel wipe again, tack wipe, spray. So I'll get you on that little tripod and we'll take you for a walk around now. So as you can see, all the plastics are off, rear bumper's off, back door's completely stripped down, handles off. We've partially pulled the locking mechanisms out. Left that handle in because it's a bit of a pain to get out, but back doors, bumper off, lights out. We've even took the high line, brake light and reversing camera out. Go down this side, same again, all back doors stripped down, all the plastics off, sliding rail for the sliding door is off completely. Now, what made us do that is we found a leak where the sliding rail is. The last bolt, which is this bolt here that holds the sliding door rail on, it was leaking water, so that had to come off anyway. And we thought, bugger it, let's just take the whole door off, take the rail off, strip the van down completely and respray it from scratch. I know we've already done the black, we're going to go back over it anyway with some more black. Just get everything nice, neat, exterior done before we move on to finishing the interior conversion. And hopefully we're starting to come out of lockdown by that point and materials are easier to get. So we've removed wing mirrors, glass, we've left that glass panel in, we'll just mask up and around it, handles off, door cards completely out, all the seals are off. I've just got 2 clips to take off down there. The steps are out, as you can see. We've got a bit of corrosion and rust down here, so we'll get that sorted. All the fuel fill caps around and flappy door is off. Latches are off. The front end is not a front end anymore. Even took the aerial out. Scuttle panel all stripped down, wipers off. So what we're doing is I'm going to leave the van now. I've cleaned it all down, it's ready for panel wipe, so I'll do that later on. That'll probably be the weekend. So we've got our bonnet, we've got our sliding door. I'm going to panel wipe all these down, get these clean, and then we're going to start sanding. As with the last painting video, it's mostly going to be time lapse, as with all my videos, because a lot of it is not interesting. So I'm going to get set up to panel wipe and then start sanding, so I'll stick you on the tripod on time lapse. So I don't know where I'm up to on filming, being a bit hit and miss on this project, part of the project. Got all the doors masked up, ready for paint. I've sanded down all of the roof, keyed all the roof, prepped all the roof, that's ready for paint now. Didn't film any of that because there was no easy way of filming it. We're on to doing the gutters and the top half side of the van now, so I'll actually time-lapse this. But basically got dust extractor, 6-inch DA, 3-inch DA and some Scotch-Brite, and it seems to be doing the job. So I'll move my tower along. I've already done the piece over the cab. We'll move along to the rest of the body. So I'll stick you on time lapse. Enjoy that. So, where we're up to so far. I've got most of this side of the van prepped. Just got around the siding door jamb to do. All the front doors done, all the roofs done, all around the windscreen. So all that's really left now is back doors, back door jambs, and the driver's side. But we've run into a little issue. We found some more rust. As you can see, that's looking healthy, isn't it? Cut away a lot of the crap. But yeah, going to have to order a repair panel to weld in there. Just when I thought I was getting to the end of welding bodywork, some more jumped up. So I'm gonna leave this video here. Sorry for not bringing out one last week. Everything's been a bit hectic with trying to get all this done. So as normal, if you could give us a subscribe if you're not, ring the little bell, get a notification when we post a video, and give this video a thumbs up. Get in the comments section below if you're got any questions or you want to give us some feedback, or tell me that I'm an idiot for buying a rust bucket. No, it's not that bad. Just with the current climate of the world, getting stuff is not the easiest task, due to sometimes having to wait a month for stuff to turn up. So as you can see, we are making progress, but we'll leave it at that, and we'll catch you on the next video. See you in a bit.